Typically, engineering tasks require multiple visits to the site to support the drawings, 3D models, and other design material. 360-degree videos enable virtual site visits, reducing the number of physical visits needed. Modern tools are easy to use and allow anyone to capture and share material from the site. Video recording is started with a single push of a button. 360 cameras use multiple lenses to capture entire surroundings, including those small details that are often missed during first site surveys, but later turn out critical, requiring revisits to the site. The resulting video can be viewed on a tablet using live sync software that allows users to highlight objects and communicate ideas using annotations. The spherical view helps orientation in material captured by others compared to traditional images. The 360-degree videos can be utilized as a visual tool in two-way communication between the site and office. Illustrated PDF reports allow sharing the information to a wider audience without technical limitations. The 360 videos can also be utilized when briefing employees about the site and the task at hand. The visual report serves as a reminder of the work briefing and leaves no chance for misinterpretations. Please contact us to find out how you can start utilizing 360-degree videos in your work today.